enjoy,
enjoy,
រីករាយសប្បាយចូលចិត្ត
enjoy movie, book, party,
enjoy movie, book, party,
រីករាយនឹងភាពយន្តសៀវភៅពិធីជប់លៀង
I really enjoyed that party.
I really enjoyed that party.
ខ្ញុំពិតជារីករាយនឹងពិធីជប់លៀងនោះណាស់
Enjoy something very much. Very much enjoy something.
Enjoy something very much. Very much enjoy something.
ចូលចិត្តអ្វីមួយខ្លាំងណាស់
I enjoyed your book very much. I very much enjoyed your book.
I enjoyed your book very much. I very much enjoyed your book.
ខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តសៀវភៅរបស់អ្នកខ្លាំងណាស់
Enjoy doing something.
Enjoy doing something.
ចូលចិត្តធ្វើអ្វីមួយ
She really enjoys cooking.
She really enjoys cooking.
នាងពិតជាចូលចិត្តធ្វើម្ហូបណាស់
I very much enjoy working here.
I very much enjoy working here.
ខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តធ្វើការនៅទីនេះខ្លាំងណាស់
Enjoy something a lot.
Enjoy something a lot.
រីករាយនឹងអ្វីមួយណាស់
He enjoyed the party a lot.
He enjoyed the party a lot.
គាត់រីករាយនឹងពិធីជប់លៀងនេះណាស់
Greatly enjoy something.
Greatly enjoy something.
រីករាយនឹងអ្វីមួយយ៉ាងខ្លាំង
She greatly enjoys her work.
She greatly enjoys her work.
នាងរីករាយនឹងការងាររបស់នាងយ៉ាងខ្លាំង
Enjoy something immensely, tremendously.
Enjoy something immensely, tremendously.
រីករាយនឹងអ្វីមួយយ៉ាងខ្លាំង
The audience enjoyed the show immensely.
The audience enjoyed the show immensely.
ទស្សនិកជនបានរីករាយនឹងការសម្ដែងយ៉ាងខ្លាំង
Enjoy your job, work.
Enjoy your job, work.
រីករាយនឹងការងាររបស់អ្នក
He clearly enjoys his job.
He clearly enjoys his job.
គាត់រីករាយនឹងការងាររបស់គាត់យ៉ាងពិតប្រាកដ
Enjoy a trip, holiday.
Enjoy a trip, holiday.
សប្បាយនឹងដំណើរកម្សាន្តថ្ងៃឈប់សម្រាក
I enjoyed my trip a lot.
I enjoyed my trip a lot.
ខ្ញុំដើរលេងសប្បាយខ្លាំងណាស់
Did you enjoy your holiday?
Did you enjoy your holiday?
តើនៅថ្ងៃឈប់សម្រាកអ្នកសប្បាយឬទេ
Enjoy a meal.
Enjoy a meal.
ពេញចិត្តអាហារ
I hope you enjoy your meal.
I hope you enjoy your meal.
ខ្ញុំសង្ឃឹមថាអ្នកនឹងពេញចិត្តអាហាររបស់អ្នក
Enjoy the view.
Enjoy the view.
រីករាយនឹងទេសភាព
They sat outside, enjoying the view of the lake.
They sat outside, enjoying the view of the lake.
ពួកគាត់បានអង្គុយនៅខាងក្រៅរីករាយនឹងទេសភាពបឹង
Enjoy yourself.
Enjoy yourself.
កំសាន្តសប្បាយធ្វើអ្វីដែលខ្លួនសប្បាយចិត្ត
People come here to relax and enjoy themselves.
People come here to relax and enjoy themselves.
មនុស្សមកទីនេះដើម្បីសម្រាកនិងកំសាន្តសប្បាយ
Enjoy every minute.
Enjoy every minute.
រីករាយគ្រប់ពេល
I enjoyed every minute of the trip.
I enjoyed every minute of the trip.
ខ្ញុំរីករាយគ្រប់ពេលក្នុងដំណើរកំសាន្តរបស់ខ្ញុំ
Enjoy something.
Enjoy something.
មានអ្វីមួយដែលជាអត្ថប្រយោជន៍
People in this country enjoy a high standard of living.
People in this country enjoy a high standard of living.
ប្រជាជនក្នុងប្រទេសនេះមានកម្រិតជីវភាពខ្ពស់
Even though he's 84, he enjoys excellent health.
Even though he's 84, he enjoys excellent health.
ទោះបីគាត់មានអាយុ84ឆ្នាំក៏ដោយគាត់នៅមានសុខភាពល្អណាស់
Enjoy.
Enjoy.
សូមអញ្ជើញដោយរីករាយ
Here are your drinks. Enjoy.
Here are your drinks. Enjoy.
នេះជាភេសជ្ជៈរបស់អ្នកសូមអញ្ជើញពិសាដោយរីករាយ
Here's the book I promised you. Enjoy.
Here's the book I promised you. Enjoy.
នេះជាសៀវភៅដែលខ្ញុំបានសន្យាជាមួយអ្នកសូមអានដោយរីករាយ
Enjoy your meal.
Enjoy your meal.
សូមអញ្ជើញពិសាដោយរីករាយ
He enjoys being alone.
He enjoys being alone.
គាត់ចូលចិត្តនៅម្នាក់ឯង
I really enjoyed being with him.
I really enjoyed being with him.
ខ្ញុំពិតជារីករាយក្នុងការនៅជាមួយគាត់
I enjoy gardening in my free time.
I enjoy gardening in my free time.
ខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តថែសួននៅពេលទំនេរ
Did you enjoy your stay in Sydney?
Did you enjoy your stay in Sydney?
តើអ្នកស្នាក់នៅទីក្រុងស៊ីដនីសប្បាយទេ
I really enjoyed talking to you.
I really enjoyed talking to you.
ខ្ញុំរីករាយណាស់ក្នុងការនិយាយជាមួយអ្នក
I enjoy shopping for clothes and shoes.
I enjoy shopping for clothes and shoes.
ខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តដើរទិញសម្លៀកបំពាក់និងស្បែកជើង
Neither of us enjoy getting up early.
Neither of us enjoy getting up early.
យើងទាំងពីរនាក់មិនចូលចិត្តក្រោកពីព្រលឹមទេ
Did you enjoy your trip to Khmer?
Did you enjoy your trip to Khmer?
តើអ្នកទៅលេងកោះរ៉ុងសប្បាយទេ
Did you enjoy your travels in Southeast Asia?
Did you enjoy your travels in Southeast Asia?
តើអ្នកធ្វើដំណើរនៅក្នុងអាស៊ីអាគ្នេយ៍សប្បាយទេ
We enjoyed the scenery.
We enjoyed the scenery.
យើងបានរីករាយនឹងទេសភាព
I hope you enjoy your trip.
I hope you enjoy your trip.
ខ្ញុំសង្ឃឹមថាអ្នកនឹងរីករាយក្នុងដំណើរកម្សាន្តរបស់អ្នក
We enjoyed the game immensely.
We enjoyed the game immensely.
យើងរីករាយនឹងការប្រកួតនេះយ៉ាងខ្លាំង
We greatly enjoyed our time in New York.
We greatly enjoyed our time in New York.
យើងសប្បាយខ្លាំងណាស់ពេលយើងនៅទីក្រុងញូវយ៉ក
Thanks for a great evening. I really enjoyed it.
Thanks for a great evening. I really enjoyed it.
សូមអរគុណសម្រាប់រាត្រីដ៏អស្ចារ្យខ្ញុំពិតជាសប្បាយណាស់
He's enjoying himself at his job.
He's enjoying himself at his job.
គាត់កំពុងរីករាយនឹងការងាររបស់គាត់
I really enjoyed myself last night.
I really enjoyed myself last night.
ខ្ញុំពិតជាសប្បាយណាស់កាលពីយប់មិញ
I enjoyed his second book more than the first.
I enjoyed his second book more than the first.
ខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តសៀវភៅទី2របស់គាត់ខ្លាំងជាងសៀវភៅទី1
It's a very funny movie, and I enjoyed it very much.
It's a very funny movie, and I enjoyed it very much.
វាជាភាពយន្តកំប្លែងណាស់ហើយខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តវាមែនទែន
I want to travel because I enjoy seeing new places.
I want to travel because I enjoy seeing new places.
ខ្ញុំចង់ធ្វើដំណើរព្រោះខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តមើលកន្លែងថ្មីៗ
I hope you enjoy your stay with us.
I hope you enjoy your stay with us.
ខ្ញុំសង្ឃឹមថាអ្នកនឹងពេញចិត្តក្នុងការស្នាក់នៅជាមួយពួកយើង
They all enjoyed themselves at the party.
They all enjoyed themselves at the party.
ពួកគេទាំងអស់គ្នាសប្បាយរីករាយនៅក្នុងពិធីជប់លៀងនោះ
Why aren't you dancing? Enjoy yourself.
Why aren't you dancing? Enjoy yourself.
ហេតុអ្វីបានជាអ្នកមិនរាំធ្វើអ្វីសប្បាយៗដែលអ្នកចង់ធ្វើទៅ
Time passes so quickly when you're enjoying yourself.
Time passes so quickly when you're enjoying yourself.
ពេលវេលាកន្លងផុតទៅយ៉ាងលឿននៅពេលដែលអ្នកកំពុងសប្បាយ
I enjoyed the course at first, but after a time I got bored with it.
I enjoyed the course at first, but after a time I got bored with it.
ដំបូងឡើយខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តវគ្គសិក្សានេះប៉ុន្តែក្រោយមកខ្ញុំធុញនឹងវា